To assemble the machine, attach the body onto the base, ensuring the swivel neck lines up with the inlet on the machine body. Push it down into place and ensure the machine is locked in the upright position. To attach the hose, insert the hard tube into the inlet, ensuring it is fully in place. Insert the hose end firmly into the hose housing. To attach the clamp, carefully push it through onto the handle and screw to tighten, then clip the dusting brush onto the clamp. Unlock the handle inlet and insert the handle firmly, ensuring the red line is not visible, and then lock it into place. Check the machine reclines correctly using the orange foot pedal. It is then fully assembled.